Hi everybody, this video is all about how to log on to Nearpod. Nearpod is a slides app that also lets you interact with the slideshow, and we're going to be using it a bunch this year. So you're going to start right here in Google Classroom. You're going to find the lessons that say Tuesday, and in particular, you're going to click on the one that says click to access the Nearpod lesson. You'll click that, and you're good to go. Now that you're all logged in, you're going to click right here on your link. The link should have the code embedded in it, but just in case, I will have the class code written in the instructions for this assignment. And at that point, you'll switch over to the Nearpod website. From there, you'll have the option to embed a code, which will be over there in the instructions, or it will take you straight ahead to the actual Nearpod slideshow. Before you get to the slideshow, you need to put your name in. Put your real name in, your full name. That's going to help me know who's who and let me grade your work. These screenshots are from the Nearpod app for tablets. You may also be in on the website, and if you're on the website, you'll log in with your NYC DOE credentials and your name should pop up automatically. And from here, you'll be all set and into the slideshow.